Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jill and I enjoy sharing different beauties, tips, tricks, and more. If you saw my short the other day, you saw that I treated myself at Sephora for my birthday. Actually, my husband went along and told me to go ahead and pick out some things that I've been wanting to try. So that was a really exciting day. So as you see, I have eye makeup on, but I do not have any foundation or lipstick on because a couple of the products I'm going to go ahead and demo. And I'm also going to talk about my little crazy eyebrows here that I have because one of the products I have, I'm hoping, is going to work for that. What I usually do for my eyebrows, if that doesn't work, I have a little spoolie and I also take just a little bit of hairspray. So I usually just comb it down with a little bit of hairspray. It just depends on how you sleep at night. Sometimes it's an age thing, but sometimes those eyebrows can get a little wonky. So this is just going to be a fun laid back video. I am going to try several of the products, and then a few of the products I'll be featuring in another video that's coming up real soon. So one of the things that I'm going to be trying is this little birthday gift that they gave me. It has the clear gel and the lip gloss in it. So I'm going to be trying both of these today. And then the other thing I got two of the small Miss Dior perfumes. One was a Blooming Bouquet and the other one is Roses Roses because I really like floral scents. So I did try these out in the store and really enjoyed them. I didn't go for the full-size bottles at this time. I may go back and do that, but they're kind of pricey and I wanted to try a couple other things. And since it was my 50th, yeah, I said that out loud. Can't believe that I turned 50 this year. I'm still struggling with that number. But these are kind of cool. They have little roller balls on them. So I'm super happy about these. They should last me for a little while. And then the other products I got, this is one that I'm going to be trying out today. It's the Unreal Skin Sheer Glow Tint Hydrating Foundation Stick from Charlotte Tilbury. And I do like a lot of her products. So I'm excited to try this. I want to see how it covers my rosacea. As you see, my face is very naked today. And the lighting happens to be fairly well in my room. So that is also an unusual event. So we're going to see how this covers all this in just a few minutes. I also got the IT CC Natural Matte one. I've heard really good things about this as well for covering rosacea, so I will feature this one a different day, but I will definitely be doing a review on this as well. So put that one over to the side. And then a couple of the other products here. Now I have never tried the Tatcha products yet. But let me tell you what, I'm so glad that Sephora has a bunch of different testers in there because I think we spent about 2 hours in there. So bless my husband for that one because it was quite a long day. But their products are amazing for moisturization. So one of the things along with rosacea that I suffer with is really, really dry skin. And I've tried so many different products. Some do pretty well. Others last temporarily and then, you know, go down. But this one is like a milk, body milk, and it's just a little, you push it out, and I'm telling you guys, this is so creamy and amazing. Now, I did have it laying sideways. Okay, so there we go. You can see it and just pops back on. But I put that on in Sephora, and for hours later, my skin felt so smooth and moisturized, and I was just like, oh, have to have this product. So it went home with me. It's a lightweight lotion. It's not real heavy, but it definitely does the job. You can really feel it. So super happy about that purchase. I also bought, after sampling again, their lip product. And I cannot say enough good things about this. Look at how cute is this little bottle here. And then they have the little clamps on the top. You see it slides out. And that is your little spatula to get out your lip gloss. Well, it's not really lip, well, I guess you could wear it as a lip gloss, but it's more just like soothing the lips. As you see, I haven't used this one yet. More like a lip jelly, I guess. This absolutely 1000% works. I put it on in Sephora with their little samplers, and for like 3 to 4 days later, I didn't even reapply this one because I was waiting to do this video. So I didn't want to take anything out of the bag. I know, crazy, right? But I wanted to do the video. So this stuff I 100% recommend if you have dry lips. It really, really works. So that is another Tatcha product. And then because their products are a little pricey, I did try the skin cream. I have not tried the cleanser yet. I will do that and update you in a future video. But one of the other samples they sent home with me, they sent home like a little container, and it was the Indigo Night Cream, and I've been using that, and I really, really like that as well. It really moisturizes the skin. So if these work out for me, I will purchase the bigger ones. Like I said, they are a little pricey for the regular sizes, but for me, if something works, then I'm definitely gonna do it. So, and then I think, oh yes, this is absolutely beautiful. I have never tried this brand either. It's the Huda Beauty, I think I'm saying that right. And this is the Rose Quartz collection. Wasn't even going in for eyeshadow because I have plenty of eyeshadow probably. But you guys, not only is the packaging gorgeous, look at these colors. They are absolutely beautiful. I mean, how could I not? Absolutely beautiful. So you know I'll be doing another video featuring just these as well. Just wanted to give you guys a little overview of everything that I got. So let's go ahead and sample those couples that I said. It's a really casual hair day. This is the weekend of Labor Day. So I'm going to be doing a lot of house cleaning and organizing because I have my husband home. So he's going to babysit the puppies for me a little bit, and I'm going to be able to get some stuff done. So these are little birthday samples. I'm going to go ahead and try the clear one because I guess, can you see how my eyebrows just kind of, yeah, they're like all over the place. So we are going to try this clear gel and see how it does. Just goes right over top, can't even see anything, and just helps put everything into place. So far, not bad. I will see how that holds up throughout the day and give an update on that as well. But this is also the first time I've tried any products from this brand. And I know it's an all-natural brand, so I'm really happy about that. So I plan to try some more of their things in the near future. Okay, so the lip tint will be to finish it off. But I kind of want to go ahead and try the foundation before the lip tint because I just feel like the lipsticks just complete everything all together. So let's see, this is in For Fair, and I did try this on in the store for the color, so hopefully it matches pretty well. But she has such beautiful packaging on all her stuff, and it's a hydration foundation stick, so I'm looking forward for that. I don't usually do foundation sticks, so we're gonna give this a try, and I think for right now I'm just gonna use the camera, so bear with me here. You probably see me looking to the side a little bit and all to see what kind of coverage that is. So far, so good. And give me just a couple minutes to get this on and rub it all in, and I'll be right back to show you the final look of it. Okay, so as you see, it is a pretty lightweight kind of shimmery application. I wouldn't say it's the best coverage as far as my rosacea. As you can see, it's still showing through, but it's very soft. It feels very nice and light. So I think it'll be more on the lines of like a type of CC cream or maybe something to use with your foundation just to add a little lightness. So it's not a full coverage, but you could also use your concealer underneath it, and that would probably help a lot. But I'm just trying the product itself. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of my highlighting blush that I like from Besame, just to add a little extra color on my cheeks here today. So you can see what's different between my rosacea and then actual color. So I'm not 100% sure how I feel about this foundation. I will do a wear test and see how I do. I like it, but I would say for full coverage, definitely, once again, a concealer. Or if you're looking for full coverage, I don't think this would be the one to use if you have rosacea. General skin tones, it might be just absolutely fine. But, you know, as soon as I rub my skin, I mean, that's the problem with my skin, it will start to get red again. So let me just blend this in real quick. Okay, so you're gonna see lots of my red cheeks today, but that's okay. So we're gonna follow up with, this is called Wet Lip Oil and it's in the color Unbuttoned. So I'm gonna finish up with this And I'm also just going to be casual today and use the camera video to do this. That is very moisturizing, and I really like the color, a nice natural little color with some shine. Feels very nice on the lips. So glad I picked this for my birthday gift, because that is really pretty by itself, but it'd also be really pretty with layering as well. So I hope you guys like this fun little video today. I just wanted to show you some of the products I got. I also did get a couple things from Ulta, which actually I'll go ahead and show you that real quick as well. Okay, so just easier to put it all into one video. So I did need a new hair dryer. So I got this Pro Dryer. It comes with a brush and several attachments. So I got this from Ulta. I'm really excited about that because my old hair dryer is just like falling apart. I need it to go. And then I wanted to try something new. Now I've used Sexy Hair before. I've used it for their hairspray and absolutely love it. Has a great hold. This is a blow dry volumizing gel. So I'm excited about trying that too, because as you all see, I have nice, straight, pretty flat hair most of the time. Like I said, today I didn't do a whole lot with it because I got a lot going on, but I wanted to get this video on. So I will let you know how it goes when I try this gel as well. And then I had to pick up one of my all-time favorite mascaras. A couple Mary Kay's are still one of my tops as well. The Ultimate I love, but the Better Than Sex mascara, I don't know if you've ever tried this by Too Faced, but this stuff is pretty amazing. You can see what it looks like on the back. It really like lengthens and makes you look like you have a lot more lash than what you do. I mean, when they show these little pictures here, I can say they're pretty accurate. So this is a go-to of mine that I go back to a lot. And then Ulta also has the little gift specials. Our Ulta didn't have a big selection where I live, which I was surprised. Like, it's probably not one of my favorite Ultas. They don't do a real good job with the samples. It's kind of messy, dirty, and there's like hardly ever anything in stock. So usually when I do Ulta, I'll go and order it online. Another bonus of ordering online is you usually get little gifts and discounts and stuff for ordering that way. So a lot of times I do that, even though the Ulta is like 5 minutes maybe from my house, which is also dangerous, especially if it was a good one. Now, Miss Sephora, I have to travel about 45 minutes for, so I rarely get there either, but I do love the Sephora store. But this was my free gift. This is a Lancome mascara. They didn't have a lot of choices in their free gifts for the birthday thing. And I figure, hey, it's always good to have mascara around, especially a small one, so I can throw it in my purse for touch-ups. So I went ahead and got myself that for the other birthday gift. I'm really liking it. This lip oil, by the way, feels so nice on my lips. I'm really glad I got that. So I hope you enjoyed just chatting with me today and seeing what I got. I will come back, like I said, and I will do a review of the CC cream because I heard this is really good for covering redness. So I'm excited to try this one. And I think I tried everything else with you guys. I think it's the eyeshadows. Maybe I'll do them on the same day. I'll do the CC cream and the eyeshadow all in one day and do a video like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider like and subscribing. Thank you to all my new subscribers that have come on here. I'm getting really close to 1,000, which has been my first goal here on the channel. So hopefully I will hit that soon within the next couple of weeks. That would also be a nice little birthday treat for me to hit that number. So if you're enjoying my videos, please do click like and subscribe. And I'm going to try really hard to get them on. Like I said, I have a whole bunch of ideas and videos. It's just trying to work it around the puppy dogs and everything else going on. So I hope you guys have an absolutely amazing day and a wonderful Labor Day weekend. Enjoy yourself, sit back and relax a little bit. Maybe even have a cup of tea. Thanks for joining me.